Aloha everyone, it's Lynn with iHula Hawaii, bringing the hula of Hawaii to you. In today's video, we are going to learn the first verse of Pua Mana. Come and hula with me. Here's a warm-up for Pua Mana. For the hands, I will recite the Hawaiian lyric, the English translation, and the hand motions to tell the story. Beginning with your hands on your hips, our vamp right out, bring to the center, then left out, bring to the center. Pua Mana. Both open in front, wave together, and apart showing the place. Ku'uhome. My home. Both touch self and show your home. Lahaina, in Lahaina. Right up, left open to show Lahaina. Mena pua, with flowers. Both pick flowers. Ala onaona, so fragrant. Left show your flower, right wave over and to your nose 2 times. Ku'uhome, my home. Aloha ia, it is so loved, both out and embrace. Repeat your vamp right out, bring to the center, and left out, bring to the center. Now let's combine our hands and kaholo together in slow motion. Starting with your vamp, right and left. Both open in front. Touch self and your home, Lahaina, right up, left open. Both pick flowers and smell. Touch self and home and embrace. And vamp. And vamp. Let's repeat. Both open and pull out to sides. Is my home, both self, home, in Lahaina, right up, left open, with flowers, both pick, so fragrant. My home, touch self and home, is so loved, embrace, and vamp. Let's dance verse 1 together in real time, 2 times through. Mahalo for tuning in today with iHula Hawaii. I hope you enjoyed verse 1 of Pua Mana. I look forward to seeing you next Friday for verse 2. Please subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video, and I'd love if you'd pass my channel on to someone that loves the hula. Ahui ho and aloha.